So this is the pre-calculus book that is equivalent to our college algebra curriculum, and this is the 7th edition. You can see the authors there, and the topics that will cover polynomials. There's a start with linear, of course, and we look at graphics. We look at them graphically, and also deal with complex numbers to give them those solutions as well. At least up to cubics is part of the 12 basic functions we look at. Also, all of the different behaviors that go with those as well, and all the different features of those functions. And really focus on a little bit with linear and quadratic, but mostly looking at quadratics with that, and then a little bit with some higher degree, and then you can see long division and finding zeros, and then also finding solutions, both real and complex. So that's the basics of what the polynomials or the content is in our algebra course at North St. Paul. Thank you.